Welcome to Biology Beacon. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of marine biology. Get ready to explore some of the most unique and fascinating creatures that call the ocean their home. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more amazing content. The ocean is a vast and mysterious place, home to countless ecosystems teeming with life. From the colorful coral reefs to the dark depths of the deep sea, each ecosystem is a marvel of nature. Let's start with the Leafy Sea Dragon. This incredible creature looks like a piece of seaweed, helping it blend into its surroundings and avoid predators. Found off the coast of Australia, the Leafy Sea Dragon is a master of camouflage. Next, we have the Bioluminescent Jellyfish. These jellyfish light up the ocean with their glowing bodies, creating a magical underwater light show. Bioluminescence helps them attract prey and communicate with each other. Ever heard of the Mantis Shrimp? This small but mighty creature has one of the most powerful punches in the animal kingdom. Its punch is so fast and strong that it can break glass aquariums. Marine ecosystems are not just beautiful, they are crucial for the health of our planet. Coral reefs, for example, provide habitat for a quarter of all marine species and protect coastlines from erosion. However, these ecosystems are under threat from pollution, climate change, and overfishing. It's up to us to protect these underwater marvels for future generations. Want to learn more about the wonders of the ocean? Make sure to subscribe to Biology Beacon and join our community of ocean enthusiasts. Together, we can make a difference. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.